Hey everybody, Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com, and I want to look at INMODE today. Now, this is one of the big movers today, at least on the stocks that I watch. And in this case, this marks up really well on IBD's composite ratings and this and that and the other thing. But when it gets right down to it, the thing that I always care about is the chart. Everything else is just, I guess you could say icing on the cake, or whatever. But in this case, I just want to bring this to your attention because if you look at this is like a momentum indicator. But if you look at this on the weekly chart, I've never seen a stock chart like this on a weekly chart where this turned out to be the top. And that sometimes that's the way I look at things, like, okay, if I'm going to buy the stock right here, right now, have I ever seen a situation where that turns out to be the top? I bought at the top and then the stock plummets. Nope, never seen that happen. So I'm looking at this stock and it's not a great entry right now. But it is, it's okay. And so here's what I would suggest doing. If you're looking to climb into this stock and you don't have a position, you have to understand that the times to really buy here are at the 50-day moving average. This was a little nail biter here, but when the stock pulls back to the 50, as it's even done here, that's when you need to be buying the stock. But if you just extend the 50 up here, and we're looking for, like, when is the stock likely to hit the 50 again? I got to say probably here, something like that. And then if you look at where this is here, and then you look at where it was here, you'll see the stock will have a nice rally. And so this is the way I kind of look at these charts. And so ultimately, as I see this stock going, I can see it running up a little bit. If you buy it on Monday, you'll probably make money. And so maybe you take a small position. But then ultimately what you want to be doing is kind of keeping your powder dry and waiting for the next pullback to test the 50-day moving average. If you can do that, then you're able to take advantage of this little pop right here. The best time to buy it would have been on Tuesday on a rebound off the 50. It's worked back here, it's worked here. So this is typically the best time to buy it, but we don't have a way back machine. Can't do that. So it's kind of a different trade now. You can just say, you know what, crap, I missed the boat. Okay, fine, you did. Now what are we going to do though? Again, you can take this stock, you can take a small position. I sure wouldn't be taking a big position. And then hopefully it moves a little higher so you're feeling better. Stays up here a bit. And then as the 50-day moving average, here, we'll do it this way. There. As the 50-day moving average runs higher, then when the stock pulls back, if the pattern holds, it'll pull back to a higher level and run higher and then to a higher level. Anyway, so that's kind of the rhythm of this stock as I look at it. That's kind of how I see this. Members, we've got some really strong trades going. If you're not a member, like this is what you missed. I put Coinbase in as an active trade yesterday during the day, so this is up in a pretty nice trade. And we've also I actually put Facebook on as well yesterday, and then we have several others that are up good. We've got Regeneron. The green arrows are where we bought. So we have some really nice trades going. I'm pretty happy about that. So I invite you to join us. However, look, I'll just say it. Don't join me now. Don't sign up for Stock Market Mentor right now. I'm telling you, don't. You can trust me. And the reason is because we're actually going to be starting a promotion. The current price is, I just raised the price to $147 a month. We've got people coming in paying that. But I've decided that, I kind of grandfathered our existing members and kept them at the former $97 a month payment. And so our former members and our, you know, our current members are paying $97 a month. Anybody coming in new is paying 50% more at $147. But I had decided, you know, we do have people returning all the time. That's just the way it goes, turnstile, in and out, in and out. And it was really kind of hard to say, hey, you know what, sorry, you know, you were in at 97 before, but now you're going to pay 147. And so I just decided I'm going to go ahead and give people until September 1st. Actually, I think we're doing it till Friday, September 3rd. We're giving them till Friday, September 3rd to get back in at the $97, and I'm just extending that to anybody on our free chart list as well. After midnight on the on September 3rd, that's when it goes up to $147, and that $97 will literally never, ever, ever be offered again, and I'll tell you why. Because I've checked the competition. We actually hired a consultant to check the competition, and we're still the best deal out there. I don't like to think of it as a deal. We're still the best resource out there by far. So I'm proud of 147, but you're going to be able to get in on at 197. But wait until next week, because I think that's when our first ad's coming out. So how's that for me selling you on something, but then at the same time saying, don't buy? That's all I got.